Good morning, it's MaryEllen from the channel MaryEllen After 60. And today I'm here for several reasons. One of the things I want to talk about is some items from Purse In, and I'll write that in up there. And just some chat and just some follow up on I made a decision on the Bye Bye Foundation Moisturizer. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with some products that I received. Kristen from Purse In contacted me. And she said she'd been watching my videos and she thought that she wondered if I'd be interested in some products. Well, I didn't get back to her right away. I went and I looked at their website. They really had nice things, but one thing I noticed, they had a lot of sale items. So I like that. You know, I always want to have a good deal. And then I contacted Miss Kristen 321 because I remember some videos of hers that she talked about Purse In. And I wanted to see what she thought about them, if they held up, and she was delighted with them. So I'm going to link one of her videos below. So I told the company that I would look over their products and see if there's anything that I would be interested in. What I try to do is, if I see something that will help me, most of my subscribers are around my age. And if something becomes unhandy to me, or if something is helpful, that's what I'm interested in. I wasn't interested in any of the bigger ticket items that they had, but I told her what I would try. She offered a 25% discount on all items that are not on sale. And I will put that below the discount and website. And I do not make 1 cent from this. This is strictly for you. I will also put a link to Purse In on Amazon so you can check out. You can read reviews on both places. But I will tell you, I was more than happy with the products I received. So first I want to get, well, all of these are practical. You know me, I am practical. But they had a travel pillow organizer that came with a bag. And I saw a lot of really good uses for this, not only for traveling. But here it is. When it talks about organizing, it has 2 pockets here. It has 2 zipped pockets, a snap to hold it in place, and this is machine washable, and it's memory foam. It's very comfortable. I got burgundy, which it's really more of a crimson red. It's really not a dark burgundy, and Jim got black. Well, when I work on my videos, when I answer comments, when I reply to videos, I sit in this chair and I put my feet on the coffee table in front of it, and sometimes my neck gets sore. I also can put in here my cell phone. You guys know I use 0% nicotine vape. I use the vape thing. I can put that in there. I can put a pen and I can put paper. And when I'm sitting there with my computer on my lap, I can just grab what I want. Also, this would be perfect. What it's made for is traveling. You can put your passport in there. You can put money. You know, you don't have to be afraid to fall asleep on an airplane or a bus or a train because you'd know if somebody was getting in these pockets. So it's very comfortable. It would be great for a car ride. But I will tell you, usually when I get up from my chair, I've got so many things on my lap that I drop them. So I haven't been doing that, and I've got a new phone, so I don't want to drop it. And it fits perfectly in here. I also thought of older people that are older than me, people that are kind of confined to a chair, you know, a lot of those power chairs. How convenient would that be for them to put the remote control in one thing and their cell phone in the other? Or it's big enough for a portable phone. So I like to think of things that can help people. And I thought this definitely could. And I like it that it's washable. And Jim thinks it's comfortable too. But he's not here to talk about it. That's why I feel really comfortable. So this sells for $36.99 and you can get 25% off. And they do have shipping and handling charges depending on where you live. But I wanted to mention this, and with Mother's Day coming up, I just thought it would be a good gift for, if my children got this for me, I'd be happy, you know. So that's the first thing. They have some super nice handbag organizer inserts. I went ahead and asked for a 1 in small that happened to be on sale for $26.99. And then I asked for this one, this is medium, and it was $58. That's without any discount. Anything that's on sale, my discount code will not work. But I was absolutely impressed with this. I'm going to go ahead and do the small one first and show you. It's this size. You can kind of see, and you'll be able to see the dimensions. One thing I checked, first of all, I think I have the biggest cell phone. I went ahead and put it in the bedroom, and it fits in this slip pocket. There's 2 slip pockets. You can unsnap it, unzip it, and it becomes this big. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 organization parts. It's just really handy. I like it. It does fit in all my handbags. I usually, as I said before, 90% of the places I go, I just take my cell phone. But on that 10%, I like to kind of, there's 4 purses I change around. I have a red, a taupe, a black, and a brown nice handbag. And this will fit in all of them. When I saw this color, I knew I had to have it bling pink. And this is the medium organizer. This zips up. It opens or shuts to make it bigger or smaller. So if you don't want it to be very big, and it has handles on the inside of both of the things that you can just grab and lift it out. But it can be this big, or you can just unsnap it, and you have got a roomy, oh, I don't even have the other zipper open. Now that I have all the zippers open, I want to show you how much room you have. And this will fit in my handbags too. So absolutely lovely. The detailing's great, and I just wanted to share this with you. And I ordered this small jewelry case, and this is all I would ever need for travel. And I'm going to open it up. I've removed some of the pockets from in there, but I thought you could get a better view. There, I can put a bracelet, I can put a watch, I can put, that's what I'd put in there. This opens up like this. This opens up like this. This opens up, and I can put jewelry in each one of those. Right here is something that I really like. It has 4 bags that you can put in here. And what I'll take in these, I know I usually take a white gold necklace, a yellow gold necklace, white gold earrings, yellow gold earrings, pearls. It has everything I need. And so that just slides in here. You can slide it and then you can snap it. Or you can use that space, if you don't need these, you can use that space to put something else. But I love it. I do. And I will use this a lot. I already have one of these that I took out that I put my earphones in. Because with that new phone, I had to have, it came with a little extension so I can use my standard earphones, or I can just plug them in to the ones they sent. But yeah. So anyway, I've already done that with one of these. I do want to mention, if you go to the website and you click on sale, I think when I looked at it this morning, there were 68 items, but it didn't have the purse organizers, handbag organizers. Go to the area that you're interested in and see if they have any items on those pages too, because I would have missed the handbag inserts, the organizational inserts. So I wanted to talk to you, that's what I wanted to talk to you about today. I also want to announce the winners of my recent giveaway. And I will tell you, this one was a hard one for me to do, because I offered a black leather iPhone case that Sheldon sent me, and 2 pink iPhone, they're all for iPhone X's, and then the eyelashes. It took me an hour to go through, because I do random comment picker, but I do have the winners, and I want to announce them. For the 1-2 Cosmetics magnetic eyelashes, the winner is Angela Stewart. Congratulations to all the winners. Please leave a comment below and I will let you know how to get in touch with me. Thank you. Because this is a long video anyway, I'm going to show you how to put on your magnetic lashes. First, you need to have mascara on. Tilt your head back, put your top lash on first, and then put the bottom lash on, and they should just magnetically clip together. And these are the half lashes, the accent lashes. So I just place it there. Just careful not to move my eyes very much, and don't look down, and it'll just clip on. And it's that easy. And that's what it looks like. For the leather iPhone case, the winner is Debbie Naries. The pink iPhone case is Jody P. And the other pink iPhone case is Sharon Darnell. I want to congratulate all of you. When companies send me items, I'm not told what to do with them. I could sell them on eBay if I wanted to, but I don't. I'd rather give them to you. So in this giveaway, I'm going to give away one of the handbag inserts, organizational inserts. All you have to say in your comment is pink or leopard. You have to be 18 years old or older, be subscribed to my channel before it goes live. What else? This is an international giveaway. Please give this a thumbs up, and I will close this in 4 days. So I want to wish you all luck, and if you're interested in it, be sure and in the comment below this video say pink or leopard in your comment. So now I have a final verdict on the It Bye Bye, I have to picture it, It Bye Bye Foundation Moisturizing for your face. I've probably used it 10 to 12 times. I have on medium, so that's, you know, it doesn't really match you. I only ordered it on medium, and I ordered mine from QVC. I still think it covers well. I don't have any under eye concealer. I don't have any corrector or anything on. But do you see the finish right now? My It CC cream doesn't look this way. I'm going to use the Mally Pore Defender that I use 9 months out of the year. I'm just going to bounce this in there, and it will take away some of the shine. In order for it to cover as well as the CC Plus cream, I have to use 1 full pump of this. It does have the SPF. My skin is definitely normal. If it's hot and humid outside, I can get some shininess through here. I still produce oil, but I don't have oily skin. So for some people this may work. For me, it really, even though it's $38 and so is the It CC Plus cream, you get just a tiny bit less, but I have to use twice as much. So I'm glad I bought this. I will use it, but for my skin type, I don't recommend it. I ordered and paid for myself a new iPhone case. I got the 8S. No, I got the 8 Plus. I always call it the 8S. And I wanted the same type of closure. It goes like that. I can use it like that. Well, most of the time during the day, I have it like that, and it keeps it. It's magnified there. So I really did wait until to make sure they had this case before I got my new iPhone. So I wanted to share that with you. I think everybody thought I was going to get a hot pink, and if they would have made this style in a hot pink, I would have. It is all good. You guys have a great day. Thank you for giving me the thumbs up, for subscribing, for commenting on my videos, for sharing them, and I will see you in my next video. You guys have a great day. It CC, no.